A woodworker constructed a chest from two types of wood, cherry and maple. The cherry cost $5.50 per board foot, while the maple cost $4.20 per board foot. A total of 6 board feet of wood was used, and cost a total of $31.60. How many board feet of maple did the woodworker use to make the chest? All right, so in this little paragraph here, they gave us two equations, which we can use for a system of equations. So we have a total of 6 boards, right? So we know 6 equals, and we'll use the variable m equals our maple, and we can say c equals the cherry. So whatever number of boards for each of them are going to be denoted by these variables. So 6 equals however many maple and cherry boards you got. And then we know the total cost was 31.6, and that equals, you have the maple cost $4.20, again, nice, per board, and so you have 4.2 times m, plus, and then you have the cherry, which costs $5.80 per board, so we can just say 5.8 C. And we're trying to find how many maple, so if we want to isolate maple here, we want to cancel out our C's. So to do that, we want these to add to 0. So to do that, we can multiply this first equation by negative 5.8, and you'll see why we can do that. So now the new equation that we're working with, 6 times negative 5.8, would be negative 34.8. And that equals, and you're just distributing this negative 5.8 to each term, so negative 5.8 m minus 5.8 c. So now, as I stated before, we could cancel these out, and when we add both of these, that looks like a drew line. Okay, so we're gonna get 4.2, okay, first I'll subtract these, so 31.6 minus 34.8 is gonna give you negative 3.2. And that equals 4.2 minus 5.8, and that's going to be negative 1.6 m. So now when we just divide by negative 1.6, we'll get 2 equals the number of maple, or our m, so m, number of maple. So our answer is A.